Hello and welcome. I'm Professor Simon Tett, and this video provides a short introduction to the team for this workshop, including me. I'm the Chair of Earth System Dynamics at the University of Edinburgh. I'm also the Principal Investigator on the project that is funding this workshop on event attribution and the lead organiser for the workshop. A bit about me. I've been doing research in climate and meteorology since 1987 when I started my PhD in Edinburgh. After my PhD, I joined the Met Office's Hadley Centre, where I worked on evaluation of model climate variability. And then I worked on detection and attribution of climate change before finally working on uncertainty in climate change observations. I left the Met Office in 2007 to become a professor here in Edinburgh. While here, I've researched on a range of climate-related topics, but in the past few years, I've been focusing on extreme events and the role of climate change in them. I'm looking forward to working with you, and I'm really sorry not to be able to be in China. I'd like to introduce you to Boon Dong. Boon is one of the organisers of the workshop.
Hello, my name is Boon, a principal research fellow in the National Center for Atmospheric Science at University of Reading. I'm a co-investigator on the project that is funding this workshop on event attribution. I'm the co-organizer for this workshop, and this is the fifth China workshop I have been involved in helping someone to run it. My main research interests are in the area of climate variability and climate change. Specifically, I'm interested in effect of aerosol on rigid climate, understanding the Atlantic Ocean variability on global and rigid climate, and recently I'm interested in extreme climate attribution. I have been working at University of Reading on climate simulation since I got my PhD in 1992, and then I joined Met Office Hadley Center as a research scientist in 2002. I left Met Office in 2005 and rejoined the National Center for Atmospheric Science as a senior research fellow and became a principal research fellow where I'm now. And I hope you all enjoy this workshop and wish it is a successful one.
And now let me introduce Sarah Sparrow. Sarah is another one of the organisers for this workshop.
Hello, my name is Sarah Sparrow and I work at the University of Oxford in the Department of Engineering Science. I'm sorry that I can't be with you in person today in order to introduce myself properly. I've worked now for a number of years on these attribution workshops, both in China and Brazil, and although undoubtedly they're hard work, I've always found them to be a rewarding experience, and I hope that you do too. To tell you a little bit more about myself and my background, I studied for my doctorate in Oxford in the Department of Physics in the area of stratospheric dynamics. And after a brief excursion into industry, I returned to academia and working at Imperial College and the University of Reading, looking at the dynamics of the mid-latitude jet. Since 2013, I've returned to Oxford working for a project called climateprediction.net, and this is where I really moved into the area of extreme event attribution. In climateprediction.net, this is a citizen science project, and we run climate model simulations on people's home computers so that we can generate the large ensembles that we need in order to study these very rare extremes. Increasingly, I have found that we're not just working on identifying the extreme events and how humans may or may not have changed the likelihood of that extreme event from occurring, but are focusing more on how these extreme events are impacting our lives and how they may be likely to change and impact them further in future years. I hope that you enjoy the workshop, and I look forward to meeting you all virtually in our first session. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, I'd like to introduce you to Xing. Xing works at the Chinese Meteorological Administration, and she's one of our local partners in organising this event.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 5th workshop on event attribution in China. My name is Ying Sun. I'm from National Climate Center, China Meteorological Administration. In Chinese, they are 中国气象局国家气候中心. I've been working for China National Climate Center for about 20 years. I got my PhD in Chinese Academy of Meteorological Sciences. I went to the USA for my postdoc. Since then, I've been working on the climate change science, including the observed climate change, their detection and attribution, the extreme events and their attribution, etc. In the past several years, we had 4 very successful workshops on extreme event attribution in China under the CSSP project. I'm very happy to see we will have the 5th one, even under such a special situation. It's a very special online workshop we've held. I believe this online workshop will be a very unique experience for all of you. I hope it will be very successful and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.
I'd like to introduce you to Nico Fraser. Nico is a tutor working with the team on the Cold Spring event.
Hello, 大家好. So I'm Nico. I'm a postdoc working with Simon. My work is mostly focused on extreme events in general. For the workshop, I will be working with the group focusing on cold events. And I've been also doing processing data, so if you have any question concerning the process data, you can ask me.
And I'd like to introduce you to Fraser Tian. Fraser is a researcher at the University of Reading, and she is working with the group working on the heavy rain and flooding event in the Yangtze Valley.
Hello everyone, my name is Fraser Tian. I've got my PhD in Max Planck Institute for Meteorology in Germany. Recently, I'm working with Boon, focusing on extreme precipitation in China. I'm also interested in seasonal to subseasonal variation, such as flash drought and MGO. In the workshop, I will work together with you about the extreme precipitation along Yangtze River in 2020. I'm looking forward to working with you and see what we will achieve.
I'd like to introduce you to Fraser Lott. Fraser works at the Met Office and he's a tutor supporting the group who are working in the combined drought and heat wave in southern China.
Hello everyone, I'm Fraser Lott. As Simon has said, I work at the Met Office Hadley Centre. I've been looking after getting the model data for you. So this is N216 data, 60 kilometres, and that will be very useful for you during the workshop, I think. I've been in the Met Office for 11 and a bit years now. I started in 2009. I've been mostly doing attribution of events and how to work on them since then. And I've been very much enjoying doing teaching in these workshops for since about 2014 now as well. So glad to be at yet another one and hope we have a great success doing it.